He specifically said that he showed these images to other geologists without telling them what they were looking at. And they almost unanimously said that it was water erosion over thousands of years of rainfall. And then when he would show them exactly what he was telling them to describe, then they didn't want to have any part of it, because they're like, okay, now you're saying something that's really crazy, because now you're saying that this structure is 11,000 years old as opposed to 4,500 years old.
Surprise, surprise, I'm going to disagree with you.
Shall we look at...
Well, it's not me. It's Robert
No,
Schoch.
Robert Schoch.
Shall we look
yeah.
at some images of the Sphinx? And its ditch?
Let's look at images of the water erosion, because it's...
And then I'll show some images of the quarries nearby.
Let's do that.
Yeah.
Sure.
So if you could hook me up again, Jamie, to the HDMI. And again, credit to my wife, Santa, who has taken every risk with me, every step, every dive for the last 30 plus years. This is her aerial photograph of the Sphinx enclosure and of the Sphinx temple, so-called.
How'd she get that picture?
In a helicopter.
Wow.
Huh. Back in, the mid-90s somewhere. Sphinx temple directly in front of the Sphinx, so-called, and the Valley temple to the left as we view it. And you can see that the Sphinx is a rock-hewn structure cut out of the bedrock with a trench around it. And if we go in here, the notion that the Sphinx bears the marks of precipitation-induced weathering is an evolution of an idea that the late, great John Anthony West had many, many years ago.